How to fix if your Gboard keeps stopping while using. Now, if this is the case, you just simply need to check if your Gboard app is up to date or not. In order to do that, just simply go to your Play Store or App Store and check if the new version is available. If yes, just simply try updating your application. And after that, if the problem fixed, that's really good. If not, just simply select Gboard application and then go to the app settings. And after going in this page, you are gonna get this option of storage. Just simply tap to storage option and then tap to clear cache, because this problem might be caused because of the cluttered cache in Gboard, and after clearing them your application will be fixed. If not, try to delete all of your data by tapping into clear data and tap to delete. This will essentially fix all of the issues. If it still doesn't fix your issue, simply try to uninstall the application and reinstall it. Then the problem will probably be fixed. I hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.